What a fun day. Oh, this is cool. Here we go. Cars and Coffee in Harrisburg.
Have no reverse, have to go around.
That's D.
These rides.
Yep. This is nuts.
You can just see them like lined up as far as you can see down there.
D, what's going on?
What's going on, brother? How you doing? How you doing? What's going on, man? How you guys
You're
doing?
the star.
What's going
Showing up with this thing. Here's Steve with LaFonda.
Well, as you can see, we already have one hell of a turnout here.
Woo.
Oh, man. How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
I mean, this may be...
How was your ride?
It was good, man. It's a little chilly, but you know, with those Cup 2s on there.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but
yeah.
It was awesome. It was awesome.
This is mad how many people come out for this. I'm glad I got here when I did.
There's the real star of the show. Hey, Piglet. What's up?
I was wondering who the real star was.
Yeah,
I heard you said it.
This thing's loaded with toys. Wow. I'm surprised how many toys you can get in a Corvette. That's awesome.
That's a giant buddy.
What a great turnout here. This is terrific. It's cold. There are people lined up. I don't know where they're going to park. There's tons of people still coming in this place.
Still a little, you get nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, at least you'll be warm.
I'll be warm though, yeah. At least I'll be warm today.
You should just wear that when you drive the Blazer
I'll
back
walk
home.
around. Yeah, can I borrow yours? That's actually super smart.
We got Savage here with the GT2 RS. First time I'm seeing this car. You got Matt MPG here taking pictures of him while I'm taking pictures of Matt.
They're free swag.
of my favorite spots to hang out.
You know it's a real exhaust shop when...
It sounded really good, Jimbo.
It sounds a lot better.
I think we need a little rev contest.
Against the IA. We can do it. It's probably one of the only cars here that I'd actually win against. I'm not gonna lie. Your Escalade.
Rebecca.
That's one of them.
She's cold. Rebecca, rev it. Yo! There's too much sound insulation in there. You can't hear anything. The price tag is still on that, Randy. The price tag is still on. You're playing. Who was the lady who had the price tag on her hat?
Oh, with the
Minnie Pearl.
Minnie Pearl.
Now we're dating ourselves. All right. So this girl's really cold. This girl's so cold she wants to stand here and warm up. Randy's out here yelling to you to rev the car. So we're gonna have a rev battle here, huh?
Rev off. Corvette versus IA.
Well, that thing still has stock mufflers. It'll be kind of close.
All right. Got Rebecca in the i8. We got
Hold on, John. Look for the
this
dog.
old Corvette over here. All right, let's hear it.
Oh, because he doesn't have the mufflers on. He doesn't have no mufflers.
Yeah, thanks for making me move.
There's pieces.
Sorry.
There's pieces of exhaust here. This is nuts.
That's savage.
That's awesome.
Oh man.
Go for it right there. Right there on the phone.
It's in Morse code.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's awesome. You know, you've got a little bit of his Urus signature.
Now it's worth 100 grand.
This is nuts. It's now a huge rev battle. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Eardrums! Whoa! That's amazing.
Why not? Wait, just a minute. You got another cost party coffee. It would have been great if he was sitting right there. For the record, I know who owns this car. So just pointing that out there. Disclaimer. I'm not that.
Hey Jimbo, how many donuts is that?
Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for your play.
Nice butt cheeks to it.
Crack kills.
Way to.
Oh, no! I almost